Taking a quick training and test mission this morning to look at the 3 color profiles on the DJI Air 2S drone. I like to point the camera at the ground to let me know when I'm starting a subroutine, so later in editing I can figure out what I'm doing. It's about 8:30 in the morning here. The camera is set to full auto exposure. The first color profile is normal. Put the sun at my back and just fly out to the west. Looks really good. Put the thing on the ground, launch it, fly around. Full auto, normal. Kind of like that. This next is D-Log, and it looks like D-Log. It's bland and ashy, and find out that I'm a little bit too high in the air. For some reason, my drone is ascending when I go forward, and without me asking, I need to get to the bottom of that. Drop in a quick LUT on this clip, and it looks nice. You know, does it look nice enough to do the extra step? I don't know, but good pictures. I'm never unhappy with what this drone gives me. Now the next we'll go back to the beginning, and now we're going to do the HLG Hyperlog Gamma, I think, and had to descend again, and it's brighter. It's like almost overexposed. And right here I'm going to fix it a little bit, put quick and dirty, just backed it down some and push the saturation of toad level. So that's that, right? There's 3. They were different. So let's look at some frame grabs. There's normal. Out of the box, not playing with it. These are MP4s. I didn't record MOVs this time. This is 4K. And then here's D-Log corrected. That's a good looking picture too. And then next one will be HLG with a little bit quick and dirty. The thing is that I kind of like playing with the colors. It's part of the experience for me, but I don't know that I'm that invested in it.